Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. We are back again with the new interesting video. Today we will talk about plan of Dubai for 2040. Dubai has planned for future developments. In this video we will give you detail about the projects, aims, and purposes of this plan. The video will have a lot of new information for you. So watch till end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's get started. On Saturday, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid announced the launch of an all-encompassing plan for the sustainable urban development of Dubai. This plan lays out the city's vision for the future. The Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai presented the Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan to transform the emirate and create a truly interconnected, people-led city that strikes a balance between community and tourism as well as modernity, heritage, and nature. In the next 20 years, it is anticipated that the Emirates' population will rise to 5.8 million, up from the current figure of 3.3 million. This new plan aims to ensure that Dubai is the most desirable city in the world in which to reside. The National provides an in-depth analysis of what to anticipate from Dubai in 2040. The goal of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid was to transform Dubai into the most desirable place to reside in the world. Number 1. What exactly is the plan here? Since 1960, the Emirate of Dubai has put into action 6 previous urban master plans before adopting the Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan. It concentrates development in already built-up urban areas and emphasizes making efficient use of space within the confines of the existing city. Number 2. What exactly is the goal? Sheikh Mohammed has stated that the primary objective is to make Dubai the best city in the world to live in from both a recreational and a professional standpoint. Other important priorities include increasing the efficiency with which resources are used, creating vibrant and welcoming communities, and expanding green and recreational spaces to provide a healthy environment for locals and tourists alike. The plan seeks to provide means of mobility that are both sustainable and flexible, foster a greater level of economic activity, and attract foreign investments to new areas of the economy. Other goals include increasing environmental sustainability, protecting the Emirates' cultural and urban heritage, and developing an all-encompassing model for the governance of legislation and planning. Number 3. Dubai 2040. Green and recreational spaces, as well as areas dedicated to public parks, will more than double in size as part of the Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan to accommodate the city's ever-increasing population as well as its growing number of tourists. Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai at the time, had a vision for the emirate in the 1960s that envisioned it developing into a city that promotes the highest human values and possibilities and an environment in which people can flourish. This vision served as the blueprint for Dubai. Following his vision, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, launched the Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan, which maps out a comprehensive future map for sustainable urban development in the city. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is the ruler of Dubai. Over the next 20 years, the plan will enhance Dubai's competitiveness as a global destination by delivering various lifestyle options and investment opportunities to the city's citizens, residents, and visitors. In a nutshell, the plan's objective is to meet or exceed the most stringent requirements for urban infrastructure and facilities. Sheikh Mohammed is quoted as saying that, "We have created a development model that offers the best possible quality of life and creates the conditions for sustainable prosperity." This was accomplished by drawing inspiration from global best practices and adapting them to meet the needs and requirements of the local community. Our mission is to build an environment that is truly welcoming to all members of Dubai's diverse population, one that satisfies their requirements and motivates them to realize their full creative and innovative potential, says the organization's mission statement. Number 4. Years of experience as well as extensive preparation. Since 1960, the Emirate has gone through a total of 6 previous iterations of master plans before arriving at the most recent one. The population of Dubai increased from 40,000 in 1960 to 3.3 million by the end of 2020, resulting in an increase in the city's cultural diversity to include people from over 200 different nations. In 1960, the population of Dubai was 80 times smaller than it will be in 2020. In the same period, the Emirates' urban and built-up area increased by 170 from 3.2 square kilometers. The plan anticipates the modernization of Dubai's urban areas, with the development primarily concentrating on 5 key centers. The following are examples of existing urban centers. Deira and Bur Dubai are both historic neighborhoods that serve to illustrate the culture and history of the emirate. Downtown and Business Bay make up the central business and financial districts of the city. Hospitality and Recreation Center, the Dubai Marina and JBR, which together function as an important center for international tourism and recreation. The following are included in the 2 new centers. The Expo 2020 Center is a hotspot that will feature affordable housing and will serve as a focal point for the exhibitions, tourism, and logistics industries. The technology and knowledge hub that propels innovation and the growth of the digital economy is located in Dubai at the Silicon Oasis Center. Number 5. A step in the direction of sustainability. Increasing the effectiveness of resource utilization, creating vibrant, healthy, and welcoming communities of all people, and doubling the amount of green and leisure areas and public parks are some of the most important priorities. These will help provide a healthy environment for both residents and visitors. In addition, it intends to create environmentally friendly means of transportation and encourage international investment in emerging markets. Other goals include increasing environmental sustainability, protecting the cultural and urban heritage of the emirate, and developing a comprehensive legislative framework and planning governance model. The Urban Master Plan is a strategic structural layout used for Dubai over the next 20 years. It will integrate all of the urban development master plans that are currently in place in the emirate. The plan is consistent with the strategic economic priorities of Dubai as well as the requirements of the future. Number 6. Equitable access to facilities. The master plan focuses on making the most of the spaces that are available within the confines of the existing city and concentrating development in the urban areas that are already there. To ensure that all demographic subgroups of the population's requirements are met, Dubai plans to establish integrated service centers conveniently located throughout the city. The plan aims to improve the overall quality of life in the city while simultaneously increasing the population density near major public transportation hubs. Number 7. Green Dubai. As part of the plan, the size of recreational areas and areas dedicated to public parks will be increased by 50% to accommodate the increasing number of residents and visitors. 60% of the total land area of the emirate will be dedicated to natural areas and nature preserves in rural settings. It is planned to create a number of green corridors that will link service, residential, and workplace areas to make the movement of pedestrians and cyclists easier. Number 8. Prepared for the next generation. The land area that hotels and other tourist activities utilize is expected to increase by 134%. In contrast, the land area that is utilized by commercial activities is expected to increase to 168 square kilometers. It is expected that Dubai will maintain its position as a central hub for cutting-edge new businesses, multinational corporations, and forward-thinking investments. The master plan will also increase the land area allocated to educational and medical facilities by 25%. And the length of public beaches will increase by as much as 400% in 2040 to improve residences' and tourists' quality of life. The Hadda Development Plan, which has established a framework for the all-encompassing development of the area, is incorporated into the Dubai Urban Master Plan 2040. The plan aims to protect Hadda's natural attractions and tourism hotspots while promoting their growth and bringing more attention to them. This will be accomplished through collaboration with the private sector. Additionally, to cater to the requirements of the populace, the plan intends to create integrated sustainable housing complexes. Integrated communities built to the highest planning standards will be the result of the implementation of the 2040 Urban Master Plan. So this was all about the Dubai's radical plan for 2040. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comment box how much you like our videos. For more such type of informative videos, check out our channel and subscribe it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Stay tuned.